So cucumbers are a wonderful summer snack, and they taste so refreshing unless you get the wrong variety. There are cucumbers made for fresh eating and cucumbers that are made for pickling. So get the wrong variety and you may have a very bitter experience. So today I'd like to share with you how to select the right variety cucumber for what you want to use it for. I will also share with you my favorite varieties of cucumbers. So there's two decisions that you will need to make to get the right cucumber plant for your needs. The first decision is which type of cucumber plant do you want to grow. There's 4 types. All right, the first one is the pickles, and the pickled cucumbers, they're very small, they're firm, and can be very bitter to eat fresh. So they hold up well in the jars, and they're crisp when you bite into them. All right, number 2 is slicers. These are the slicing cucumbers. These are the types that you see in the grocery store with the wax coating on them. They are less bitter if you get a small cucumber, and they are used primarily for fresh eating and will not hold up well in the jars if you can them for pickles. They tend to get mushy when canned. All right, number 3 is a burpless or the European type. Now I love the burpless variety of cucumbers that are sometimes called European or English cucumbers. And these type you can see in the grocery store, they have the plastic wrap on them, and they are mild and sweet and great for fresh eating or dehydrating into cucumber chips. They're my favorite variety, and for people who burp a lot after eating cucumbers, they will love the burpless variety. All right, number 4 are the non-cucumber types. So this category is for vegetables that look and taste like a cucumber, but are in a different family. The Armenian cucumber is in this family, and my dad, he used to get sick anytime he ate a regular cucumber from the cucumber family, but he was fine with the Armenian cucumbers. It's actually a melon. So if you struggle with burping or not digesting your cucumbers, this may be a great substitute for you. So you can grow all 4 types of cucumbers in your garden if you choose. I grow several types of cucumbers every year. So the second decision that you will need to make is what type of seed are you going to grow? So open pollinated or hybrid. So if you want to save seeds from your cucumbers to grow cucumbers again next year, then you're going to want to grow an open pollinated variety. So the seeds from the hybrid cucumbers, they are not all that great to save. So the offspring from a hybrid seed is not reliable in giving you the same cucumber, and it may not make cucumbers at all. So an open pollinated cucumber seed will have offspring that will be the same as the parent. Therefore, you will get the same great cucumber the following year. So if you're wanting to save seeds from your cucumber plants, we do sell open pollinated cucumber seeds on our website. You can find it at thelivingfarm.org. And I'll go ahead and put that link in the description below if you want to check it out. All right, so here are the varieties that I love to grow. For my pickling cucumber, I like one called National Pickling. It's an open pollinated cucumber, so you can save the seeds off of it and grow it again next year. It makes super crisp pickles that we enjoy all year round. For my slicer cucumbers, I don't like how bitter the slicer type are, so I choose to grow the burpless type for slicing. I like tender green. It is prolific and makes great dehydrated cucumber chips that we eat all year round. It's also open pollinated, so I can save the seeds off of it too. So if you're wanting to learn more about growing cucumbers and a professional cucumber trellising system and how to make cucumber chips, you can jump into our High Performance Garden Show. There's over 260 episodes for you to learn from, and it's free, it's online, you can watch it anytime. You can find it on our website, thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. And if you want to learn how to have more food growing success, you can find them in our food growing success playlist, and you can find it right here.